Hi, I'm Chris. Today I tell you how to change exposition time, how to change gain and frames per second in Huaris software.
Hello, this is a third movie on Huaris software. In this movie, I would like to tell you a few information about the settings. This tab is related mostly to the way the detector behaves. So first of all, you can select the camera you would like to work with. So the Huaris software, it allows you to connect to a few profilers, for example, but it will service only one at a time. So here you can select which one you'd like to use now. At any moment you can freeze the measurement here as well. Additionally, there is an option to change how frequently the software calculates the beam parameters, for example beam width, and the value that it's set now is 4 Hz, so it means 4 times a second the parameters are calculated, but you can decrease it if you want. Also here you can change the camera parameters, and the options are FPS, which is frames per second, then the exposure time, and gain. These parameters can be set or tuned automatically if auto mode is switched on, but if it's off, as I did it now, then you can play with these parameters manually. So you can set the values you want. Just one additional remark: gain parameter can be tuned only if the exposure time is set at maximum value. These parameters, they are specific to a camera model, so it might happen that in some cases the range of available parameters here might be different for you. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you on the next movie.